a heartwarming display of support and camaraderie within the Filipino music industry. Members of the popular boy group SB19, Justin, Pablo, Josh, and Stel, were spotted in the audience during Zonar's highly anticipated debut launch event. The girl group, produced by SB19's own company, 1Z Entertainment, officially stepped into the spotlight for the first time, marking a significant milestone for the emerging talent.
Dito po, marami po actually meaning. Kasi po, yung tabi first is sa Bisaya, tabi. Like, alam niyo po yung tabi? Pag tabi, tabian, mga something to talk to, ay something to talk about, yun po yung tabi sa Bisaya.
Bisaya yun. Meron pa mga Bisaya dyan!
Yes. And also, sa Japanese naman po, it means journey. Kasi may half Japanese na tayo dito, si Megami.
Megumi-chan!
Sample.
Pero, isa pa nga, Megumi, isa pa, Japanese ka nga.
こんにちは、私たちはソナラです。
Okay, so far, may Bisaya meaning yung tabi, may Japanese meaning. Ano bang meaning, Tin?
So, ang meaning sa Tagalog, syempre, is
Kilala niyo po si Tandang Sora, siya po ay very influential. Very influential po. She embodies compassion, courage, and that's what Sonara stands for.